we have just started using RedLine13 in University of California, like 4 to 6 months back, I would say. And personally, I have just moved on to this project where we are using RedLine13. But yes, I was involved when so we were using a tool, a LoadRunner tool, StormRunner, for load testing for last 2 to 3 years. And we have recently moved to RedLine13. And as everyone said, yeah, the main motto was for us the cost. We wanted to trim down the cost, and we wanted to spin our own load testing generators. So we have integrated it with AWS. So we have our own AWS setup with RedLine13. So yeah, so we have just started like aggressively, I would say last 3 months that we have started testing on RedLine13. And our experience, like moving from LoadRunner to RedLine13, is really good. I would say much more than what we expected. First of all, the support. Like when we were setting up those things, we wanted to look for some open source integration, and then you have like very good material like that we could follow, like very good setup with AWS integration, those documentation with step-by-step instruction with screenshot that really helped us. Another thing was plugin. We are using multiple plugin for reporting because we wanted to have a good dashboard reporting for upper management. And that was when we did our POC earlier, we did quite a lot POC with other testing tool as well. And we realized that the RedLine13 might not be able to give us that kind of reporting capabilities. But then I believe like Chris, I think he provided us a couple of plugin information, and then we explored those plugin, and it was very easy to use those plugin, and then it gives quite neat dashboard right now that we are using. And yeah, so overall, we are enjoying using RedLine13. We are not integrated with the CI/CD process yet, but definitely that is something in near future we are planning to implement in-house.
Cool. Good to hear. Any suggestions for us?
Well, on the UI basis, because I was using, I don't know, because I was very much familiar with LoadRunner.
Yeah. That's why I still use WordPerfect.
Yeah. So, but yeah. So on the day-to-day, that thing that really bothers me is very, I don't know, like maybe I can send you the list. Yeah, but like when we do the load testing, I put all the parameters in JMeter. So, I did not mention, we use JMeter for scripting. So we put all those parameters like ramp up, concurrency, everything. It's driven by the script, JMeter script. With LoadRunner, it was like on the go. When we used to run the load test, we could manage that on the go as we needed. So here, like if I need to update any time, any concurrency, any ramp up time, any parameters, I need to stop it, go back to my script, and again upload these, again do all those things. So that part is a little painful right now. I don't know, like maybe you might have already something that we can work with, but yeah, that is the only thing I can think of as of now.
That's great feedback. That really is in terms of running the JMeter test. Simplifying like concurrency, so you don't have to go back to the test and just do it in the UI, and we'll update that for you. So really good.
I've not heard us talk about that before, Rich.
We kind of did it with one piece, but we manually did it. Like we made it so you can change the latency. But this is when people ask for concurrency. People have asked for concurrency, but we were kind of staying away from updating the JMeter file, but I think it's time to kind of really investigate that because I think it really would simplify spinning up an iteration of the tests, which would speed up.
Mhm.